wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. If you guys want to actually let me know, how is the microphone here? I mean, I think it's fine. I've heard some people complain, but just want to make sure everyone's happy, right? And as per usual, if you guys want to sign up for the Discord, my trades are posted there in real time. I share my stop losses, my entries, unlike other YouTubers, right? I post all of my profit losses to you on my website as well, and you guys can always check it out. Again, I think I'm going to increase the price here shortly. So if you guys want to sign up before the price increase and lock in that lower rate, go ahead. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin right here. So right now we are in a dip buy area. We're hitting some buys at the moment, and we're actually erasing divergence. So right now, it really looks like Bitcoin is moving in threes. We're continuously erasing divergence and finishing these moves in three waves, basically. So we're in a corrective pattern. Now, when that corrective pattern is going to come to an end remains a mystery, right? But what we can do is trade what's in front of us. Now, we don't predict, we just put levels and chart based on what we can see. So right now, we've hit a dip buy area, which was charted in advance. We've hit the buy area, we've seen a reaction. Not that big of a reaction, but a pretty decent one, right? We've basically rallied from 99,000 all the way to 104. Do I think the bull run is over? No. I actually think that this could spring out big opportunities for a lot of people who aren't long and are ready to call the top end. I wouldn't call the top end just yet because I'm seeing everybody basically come to a consensus the top is in, right? Because we've gotten a pretty big drop. Basically 20,000, not 200,000. We're not even at 200K. So $20,000 drop, that's it. Market's done, it's over. Yet I look at the weekly time frame on Market Cipher, money flow is still good. Momentum could easily start to pick back up. So it's a pretty dangerous time to start shorting and betting against Bitcoin right now, right? Yes, the risk reward was better when you were at 125, 126, but now, shorting at the lows, especially at the lows of the range, not something I really am interested in doing. So for me, at the very least, I would watch out for big spikes higher with short covering, right? Which can happen. And if that does happen, you're going to get another A, B, and a C, right? And again, because we've erased divergence here, and we've made three swing lows, and we've actually made a lower low while erasing divergence, this could become technically the new low, right? I know we have a target for the Y wave down at 92, but it's not a guarantee that it's going to hit. If it does hit, then that's great, right? You can get an even better buying opportunity in Bitcoin and accumulate at better prices. If it doesn't happen, then this could be the low, right? That you want to be careful. You don't want to be shorting. This is not an area that I would like to be shorting. It's an area that I would like to be looking to accumulate more Bitcoin on spot. And there's some opportunities in the altcoins as well. You could always pick up some of these altcoins at some cheaper prices. Today was a pretty decent rally in Bitcoin, so all the alts start to pop off as well, and the markets were rallying, but we're down a little bit in the overnight trading. So tomorrow we'll know more, and there's just so much news going on right now. And again, October was it, and up November, and I don't know. I don't really follow that stuff all too much. I just kind of stick to what I'm trading here, and stick to the charts and what the charts are telling me. At least for now, the charts are telling me that this big move down here is not introducing a big bout of red money flow on the daily. In fact, it seems like we're just zigzagging in and out of these momentum waves. And right now, you can see the 12-hour is already turning. You're getting a green dot printing on Market Cipher, right? And 4-hour time frame, yes, you got some red money flow. This is why you got to be careful. We could always dip back down for another swing low, but maybe you don't take out the low holds, and then you get a smaller momentum wave, right? And that's probably your chance and your opportunity to look for that long entry, right? For a trade against this pivot. The 1-hour time frame, you got some red money flow. You're kind of you're zigzagging in and out of the red and the green, At the moment you're chopping in and out, you're trying to confuse traders. Traders are pretty unsure of what the Bitcoin price is going to do. They should it be long or should we short? So this is an area that there's no more trades in. You had to buy at 101, 100, and then basically you got a better entry if you just waited a little bit more at 92, and then you got that big reversal near the end of the day. Now we're getting a push higher. Now we need to see follow through. We need to see 5 swings up. Do we have 5 swings up? We don't have 5 swings up just yet. I think we only have 3. We only have 1, 2, 3. We're trying to form that 4. And if it can do this, right, tomorrow morning, then that would be great. And you can have a bigger pullback and then continue higher, right? So let's keep a close eye on things. Things can turn very quickly in the Bitcoin market right now. Volatility is very high, and people are getting, a little bit too confident shorting and thinking the lows are in. Right, we've had a big move down. I think we're going to need a big short squeeze before the decision is made if the top is in or not. Right, the short squeeze could turn into panic buying and people accumulating again at the wrong time, chasing the highs, and we could roll over. So there's too many possibilities right now. It's not the best time to trade. Am I in a trade right now? Yeah, I took a bit of a long on Ethereum. I am up a little bit on it, but again, we'll see. We'll have to see what we do tomorrow, right? If we're gonna get stopped out or are we gonna we're gonna cash out, we'll have to see. But yeah, I don't think it's over, guys. I really don't, and that's just me being honest. There's a lot of guys with big egos, big accounts telling you they know everything, and again, oh, I warned you, but they'll delete their post, and I have an account where I kind of quote all their tweets and their posts, and a lot of them delete their posts. So then it's just me quoting nothing. It's just they deleted the posts because they were wrong, right? There's a lot of stuff in the short term that they're wrong, but they admit that they always say that they're never wrong, and those guys are just the absolute worst. You don't want to follow those people. You want to follow the people that can admit that they're wrong sometimes, and they get also the right calls, right? They get the good stuff and the bad. But anyways, that's kind of it. I just want to give you guys a bit of an update here on the markets and on Bitcoin. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to just come into Discord. You don't even have to get the full membership. You can get the donation plan. Come chat with me. Come chat with the team. If you guys want to get access to the trades, the full membership is there. And again, just remember the price is going up soon. Peace.